Hello, this is Debbie from Organic Oasis in California, Zone 9B. Look at these lovely winter squash that Tim and I grew this last summer. And now we have the holidays coming up, and I'm going to make a delicious green bean and butternut squash casserole to serve for our holiday dinner. Stay tuned and I will show you how to make it. This recipe is Thanksgiving roasted veggies, green beans and butternut squash with bacon and pumpkin seeds. I will post the link in the description. I purchased just these green beans that are already ready to go, 12 ounces. Poured the 12-ounce green beans into the bowl. Added 1 tablespoon of olive oil and salt and pepper to taste. I put in a teaspoon of salt and I put in some fresh pepper. You go ahead and pour the green beans onto a sheet pan. This is my half sheet pan. Next, we need 12 ounces of butternut squash, peeled and cubed. I'm just gonna take an assortment of these and peel them and cut them into cubes. Some of these little winter squashes they're actually little mini squashes that are meant to be a serving per person. And I can also link the seed description of what these are, but they're meant to be, they're butternut squash that are actually meant to be little. And I grow them because I get more off each plant. And it's just Tim and I don't need, sometimes I don't need a lot of butternut squash. I just want a couple little servings. I also grow the big ones, but I like the little ones as well. I need 11 ounces exactly. I'm gonna go ahead and cube these, and then we'll weigh them. I'm right now at 12.70. Okay, here is my butternut squash, my winter squash, and I'm actually at about almost 14 ounces and it calls for 12, but that's okay. It's gonna be delicious. So now you put in a tablespoon of olive oil in here. Actually, I wanted to weigh it in there. They want you to pour it in here and still have some olive oil in here. I'm going to pour in another tablespoon, not quite a tablespoon. I don't think I need all that, but a tablespoon. I think I'll just put half a teaspoon of salt on this and then some pepper. beautiful, huh? And now it's going to go into the oven. I have my oven heating up to 425. I'm going to go ahead and put it in for 15 minutes. And I'll keep my eyes on it. The green beans will come out first, and then I will leave the butternut going for another 10 minutes or so. The green beans are done. See how they're nice and black, starting to darken. So the green beans come out, but the butternut's gonna stay in for 10 more minutes. These are gonna go, butternut squash goes back in the oven for 10 more minutes, and you lower the heat from 425 to 400. Uh-oh, sounds like my dog needs me. Benny needs me. I'm gonna have to go get Benny. Okay, back in the oven for 10 more minutes. Okay, the butternut squash is done. And I'm gonna go ahead and just put it all together.